In today's digital landscape, marked by relentless distractions and information overload, a new approach to work is emerging: vibe coding. More than just a fleeting trend, vibe coding represents a conscious effort to fuse productivity with aesthetics, transforming the coding environment into a sanctuary of focus and inspiration. Gone are the days of sterile utilitarian workspaces. Vibe coding embraces the idea that our surroundings profoundly impact our mindset and output. By carefully curating our digital and physical workspaces, we can tap into a deeper level of focus, creativity, and ultimately, job satisfaction. This shift towards mindful workspaces is particularly relevant for programmers who often spend hours immersed in the digital realm. Vibe coding recognizes the need for environments that not only facilitate concentration, but also spark joy and enhance the overall coding experience. It's about crafting a symphony of elements, from the soft glow of ambient lighting to the calming rhythm of lo-fi beats that harmonize to create a productive and enjoyable workflow. Vibe coding is more than just a visually appealing workspace. It's about creating a holistic sensory experience that promotes focus and creativity. Several key elements contribute to this productive atmosphere: visual harmony, a clutter-free workspace with a minimalist aesthetic, incorporating natural elements like plants and utilizing calming color palettes. Auditory focus, utilizing noise-canceling headphones or curating playlists of ambient music, binaural beats, or nature sounds to minimize distractions and enhance concentration. Ergonomic comfort, investing in ergonomic furniture such as a comfortable chair and an adjustable standing desk to promote physical well-being and prevent discomfort during long coding sessions. Personalized touches, adding personal touches to the workspace, such as inspiring quotes, meaningful photographs, or cherished mementos, to foster a sense of ownership and motivation. The emergence of vibe coding coincides with the growing movement of digital minimalism, a philosophy that encourages individuals to consciously curate their digital lives and prioritize tools that add value and minimize distractions. In an era defined by constant notifications, social media feeds, and digital clutter, vibe coding offers a refreshing antidote. It encourages programmers to streamline their digital workspaces, adopt minimalist coding themes, and utilize productivity-enhancing apps that promote focus and flow. This emphasis on intentionality extends to the physical workspace as well, with proponents of vibe coding embracing minimalist desk setups, cable management solutions, and ergonomic accessories that promote physical comfort and mental clarity. Fortunately, a plethora of tools and resources are available to help programmers curate their ideal vibe coding setup. When it comes to software, text editors like Sublime Text, Atom, and Visual Studio Code offer customization options, including themes, plugins, and extensions, to create a personalized and distraction-free coding environment. Focus apps such as Freedom, Forest, and Tide provide features like website blocking, ambient sounds, and focus timers to minimize distractions and enhance productivity. Music streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube Music boast extensive libraries of ambient music, lo-fi beats, and nature sounds to create an immersive auditory experience. On the hardware side, noise-canceling headphones such as the Sony WH-1000XM4, Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2, and Apple AirPods Max provide excellent noise cancellation to minimize distractions and enhance focus. Ergonomic accessories like adjustable standing desks, ergonomic chairs, keyboard wrist rests, and vertical mice help maintain proper posture, reduce strain, and enhance comfort. Ambient lighting solutions such as smart bulbs like Philips Hue and Lifix allow for customization of color temperature and brightness, creating a calming and conducive atmosphere for coding. While the aesthetic appeal of vibe coding is undeniable, its effectiveness in boosting productivity has been met with both enthusiasm and skepticism. Critics argue that it's merely a passing trend, a form of procrastination disguised as productivity. They contend that the emphasis on aesthetics might distract from the actual work at hand, leading individuals down a rabbit hole of customizing their workspaces instead of focusing on their tasks. However, proponents of vibe coding argue that the intentional design of one's work environment can have a tangible impact on focus and output. By minimizing distractions, creating a sense of calm, and surrounding themselves with elements that inspire, programmers can tap into a deeper level of flow, leading to increased productivity and job satisfaction. Ultimately, the effectiveness of vibe coding likely varies from person to person, depending on individual work styles, preferences, and susceptibility to distractions. When practiced with intentionality, vibe coding can be more than just a visually appealing trend. It can be a powerful tool for enhancing productivity and creativity. By minimizing distractions and creating an environment conducive to focus, vibe coding can help programmers enter a state of flow, a mental state characterized by complete absorption in a task, leading to increased productivity, creativity, and satisfaction. In this state of flow, distractions fade away, time seems to melt away, and programmers can achieve a level of focus and output that would be difficult to attain in a distracting or uninspiring environment. Moreover, vibe coding can contribute to a sense of mindfulness and intentionality in one's work. By creating a dedicated and personalized workspace, programmers can cultivate a greater sense of purpose and enjoyment in their craft. Vibe coding represents a shift in how we approach our workspaces and ultimately our work itself. It's a recognition that our surroundings profoundly impact our mindset, creativity, and productivity. By embracing the principles of vibe coding, minimalism, intentionality, and the pursuit of flow, programmers can transform their work environments from places of drudgery to sanctuaries of focus and inspiration. While the effectiveness of vibe coding might vary from person to person, its underlying message is clear. Our workspaces should be more than just functional. They should be designed to inspire, motivate, and support us in doing our best work. In an increasingly digital world, vibe coding offers a path to reclaiming our focus, finding joy in our craft, and ultimately, living more fulfilling and productive lives.